In the case of dental treatment, getting the care you require can be expensive. Cost. Dental bridges are an incredibly popular option to replace missing teeth. However, the price of receiving them can differ greatly dependent on the location you visit to get treatment. In this short video, we'll compare the costs of getting bridges for dental purposes in Turkey as opposed to Europe and look into the reasons Turkey is now a sought-after tourist destination for dental treatment. Dentures are an increasingly popular option for replacing teeth that are missing since they are a low-cost and durable solution. They are a great way to bring back your smile as well as improve the overall health of your mouth through preventing the remaining teeth from moving from their proper position. But the expense of having dental bridges could cause a problem for many individuals, particularly those living in Europe, in which dental treatment is often expensive. Turkey is now an increasingly popular destination for dental tourism, and many travelers are flocking to Turkey for top-quality dental treatment for a fraction of the costs they have to pay in Europe. Costs for dental bridges in Turkey is considerably less expensive than Europe, which makes it a desirable alternative for people seeking to cut costs on the cost of dental care. In Europe, the cost for having dental bridges may vary significantly based on the location that you reside in. For countries such as Germany, France, and the UK, the cost for having dental bridges is very high. They can range between €1,000 up to €3,000 for each tooth. It can be an expensive cost for a lot of people, particularly if they require several teeth to be replaced. However, in Turkey, it is the case that having dental bridges is less expensive, with costs that range from €300 up to €800 for each tooth. It's a small fraction of what you'd pay in Europe, which makes Turkey an appealing alternative for people looking for dental care at a reasonable cost. The prices are not only less in Turkey, however, the standard of the care also is on the same level as European standards, which makes it an ideal and secure alternative for tourists to the dental industry. One reason the cost of dental treatment is lower in Turkey in comparison to Europe is due to the low costs of living and work within the country. It allows dentists located in Turkey to provide competitive rates for their services while providing high-quality services. In addition, the government of Turkey has invested in the development of the infrastructure for healthcare, which makes Turkey a sought-after location for medical tourism. Alongside the expense savings, a further reason Turkey is now a sought-after tourist destination in dental tourism is the convenience traveling to and from Turkey. Turkey is easily connected to Europe as well as other parts of the globe and has numerous international flights landing in important cities such as Istanbul as well as Ankara. It is therefore easy for patients to fly to Turkey to get dental care as well as enjoy a relaxing vacation simultaneously. If you are thinking about getting a dental procedure for yourself in Turkey, it is essential to conduct thorough research and select a reliable dental practice with skilled dentists. Be sure to check out the reviews of other patients as well as solicit recommendations from your friends or relatives who have received dental care in Turkey. It's also a great suggestion to arrange a consultation with the dentist before making any decision to make sure you're comfortable with the plan of treatment as well as the price. To conclude, obtaining dental bridges for a reasonable price in Turkey is a viable and practical option for people seeking to cut costs on the cost of their dental care. Affordable prices, top-quality treatment, and easy accessibility to the country, Turkey has become a well-known destination for dental tourism. If you're thinking of having dental bridges installed, you should consider having them made in Turkey for savings and to take advantage of a trip while doing it.